You may want to check out the Exterior Woodwork Details section in this book. It has details on selecting wood, how to cut the wood for best results out of the log, selecting boards, and also has a table of wood characteristics listing the most commonly available species of wood and the cuts or grade of the wood, costs, machinability, resistance to decay, cupping and checks that can be important with soffits and fascias, and also pate holding capabilities of the different species: redwood, Douglas fir, eastern white pine, poplar, mahoganies, and so on. So the book also has a section on gutters and cornices with construction details on soffits and fascias that might apply to your project. This shows a cornice and built-in gutter on a masonry wall. So that could be useful. This book covers other topics like wood windows, wood epoxy repairs. That might also be useful on your cornice work. Wood columns, gutters, exterior woodwork details, and managing maintenance. That's in the Practical Restoration Reports Compendium.